that was a big moment for me, guys. I'm glad that I shared that moment with you. What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to the vlog. It is Saturday, February the 17th, and it's yeah, it's just a nice, just beautiful day in London today. Nice and sunny. Hopefully you can see that. Not too cold, pretty decent temperature, and we're raring to go. I've just gone to the postal centre. You guys would have seen that place a few times, so I didn't bother recording that bit today. But now we're going to go and give back this GoPro or try and get it exchanged because there's a few issues with it, and this little bit's broken, so I'm going to take that back. And then we're going to head down to B&Q. So if you guys are from the US watching, that's like Home Depot. I need to basically get a couple of bottles of paint. We're going to think about painting the gym. I'm going to try and keep this a weekly mission. And yeah, keep it real with you, keep it raw with you. And also deliver some great news. We are now officially on Amazon US. Like I said last week, we were sending those boxes. They've now arrived in Amazon and they're just being processed and everything else. So they're going to be pretty much online by the time I get this video out. I can't wait. I'm going to leave a link in the description and in my comment section so that you guys from the USA can enjoy our ropes and get them really quick next day on the Prime delivery function. I'm gonna stop blabbing. We're gonna get this day on the road. It is, yes, 3 o'clock already. Pretty late. I woke up at 12 o'clock today, guys. Pretty much on a Saturday I tried to have a lay-in, but we had a few orders to do, so quickly got the orders out. 3 o'clock now. The day is just pretty much starting. We're gonna get it. So catch you in the next clip. Let's do this. Quick little pit stop. Just need to pick up one little thing I've been craving for this whole week, to be honest. Can you guess what it is? Check this out.
Yo!
What are you doing?
I don't know, I'm just gonna go and eat something. Where are you going?
Have fun. That's it. Right, so we're now here. John Lewis. I need to give back this bad boy. This is a GoPro Hero Black 5. Bought this about a year and a bit ago. The screen has malfunctioned, so I can't see nothing on the screen. So let's go see what they say about that. So I'm in John Lewis. It's the first time I'm vlogging in public. It's quite a strange experience actually. People are now watching me already holding the camera. It's the first time, guys. I'm letting you in. This is the first time I'm holding the camera in public, and now people are already starting to look at me weird. Let's see how long I can keep this camera up in my hand for. Oh, I'm dropping it now. New cameras. I just love gadgets. Lenses. Love this stuff, man. I'm like a little kid in a candy shop right now. I need to focus on the task. Focus on the task. We're not going to buy anything. What a feeling, guys. Got myself a camera bag. Canon. It's quite nice actually. Quite tidy for little small cameras, but what a feeling. That was the first time I walked in the little shop, or big shop even, John Lewis, and managed to hold my camera proudly, talking to it, looking like a straight up weirdo. People watching all over the place, but I managed to do it. That was a big moment for me, guys. I'm glad that I shared that moment with you. First time me, Rushy S, was able to, oh shit, this guy just, look at this. Check this out. So I just bought this bloody bag, walked out of the shop, tag and everything still on, and the buzzer didn't even go off. Take two. There you go. There's the buzzer going off. Where's the security? I'm back with the camera in my hand. Everyone's still watching me again. This is good. This is fun. People looking at me like, what the hell is this guy doing? Oh, I'm getting too used to this now. I'm going to put the camera back down and go speak to this guy. I now need to make another stop. We're going to head down to the sports shop. Need to get me a few pieces. Need to get some socks. Let me get some of these 5-pack. Done. Easy. These are tight. And the reason I wear these is simple, is because they keep my legs warm, they keep all the muscles kind of compressed. Really good for recovery, prevents injury, I feel, as well. Second stop done. We are now on to the third stop. We're heading to B&Q, pick up some paint. Let's go. I've just realised this vlog, you guys have just been following me around into various shops. Where is this video going? I'm not too sure, but again, I'm just trying to let you guys into a little bit of my life. Don't often go shopping, so this is quite nice. So you guys just follow me on this shopping escapade. Now I'm just liking this whole just holding cameras in public places. So I don't know if I'm the only one here. I don't often go looking for paint, but there's just so much choice. Paint, all down there. Paint. More paint. Paint. Some more paint. Little paint. I just don't even know where to start. So far I've learnt you can have gloss paint, matte paint, shiny, silk, kitchens, interior, walls, ceilings. There's paint for everything. Every single thing you can think of, there's paint. Paint is not just paint. There's a science to this stuff. Like, it's just, I think I'm gonna have to pull the plug on this. I don't know where to start, and I don't have anyone to help me around here. There's probably one skill or one thing I wish I got to know when I was a kid growing up. How to do DIY properly. The missus definitely wants to do this painting job. I'm trying to look for people to do it for us, to be honest with you. And there's just no one around. Like, where is everyone? No, seriously, where the hell is everyone? There's like no one working here. I'm gonna give up. Had enough. Lost. I don't know what paint to buy. And I feel I need the missus here to make the decision. This week, I know. I feel weak. I'm just bad at DIY. I've never got it from a young age. It's one of those things that you either have it, I feel, or you don't. You had that interest in doing it right and learning about it. And it's just something I've never put my mind to. I've never really just sat down and thought, you know, how do you... I need to use the drill for the first time, like about, I'd say 2-3 years ago. I bought a drill to put my boxing bag up. And even that turned out to be a failure. I had to ask someone to come in and help me with that. The missus is really good at this sort of stuff, and she's not around today. She's with mates. What's that, fella? You alright? The missus is not around today, so struggling. I struggle with her about her in these type of situations. Getting some notifications coming up on my video feeds, guys. Thank you so much again for everyone who gets involved, comments, drops me some love. Love this one here. Lot more better. In quotation marks. Your instruction and jumping are fab, but your English maybe not so much. Yeah, this is a line that I always use. A lot more better. I don't know if the English is right here, but English for me is it's a tough one. Lazy neck. Really?
Lovely ball in to one Matter, who finishes off with a block.
Did you make this?
Yeah. Legit, I've just got them out the oven.
Thanks. You're putting me under a lot of pressure.
No, it's my boy Rash, Detective Rash, hosting the party.
Just letting him, seeing him right. He looks confident, he does.
See you later, guys. I get so many questions about these bad boys. They are, of course, the Nike Flyknit 3.0s. I believe they don't make these in many places anymore. I actually got these ordered from the US. Absolutely love skipping in these guys. They're so close to being like socks for me. But yeah, these are just slip them on. I've got my little trainer socks here as well, so that you don't really want to wear these with those sort of normal socks. I don't feel they look as clean. My calf starts like literally way up my leg. Look, that's my calf muscle there. So I do have some sort of calf. That is just skipping and football calf. And then over down here is just lean bone. Morning guys. It is Sunday, February 18th, the next day now. The sun is still shining. What a beautiful day. What I wanted to show you, to sort of round off the vlog, to finish up the vlog, was to show you my workouts, what I get up to on the Sunday. So I'm going to set things up, guys. Enough of the talking. Let's get into it. Peace. Right, family, welcome to the commentary. So this is the first of the vlog series. For the last 3 weeks, you've seen that I've been pulling out these vlogs, but I haven't been showing you my workouts, and I really wanted to do that. A lot of people have been asking for more workouts. So here's a quick little kind of structured workout that I employ. This is a fasted workout, guys. On a Sunday, I tend to do this before my breakfast, but this is how I warm up. One arm swings, as you guys always know if you've stayed locked in, gets your muscles fired up, gets your brain in tune with your limbs, and you're ready to basically go. Then I'll be stretching my calves or my hamstrings out a little bit. During the sort of many years I've taken a beating in football, my legs are unfortunately a little bit tight. The muscles are generally tight, so I tend to have to warm up like this, and it does me good, and it's good for injury prevention, so I'll make sure that I always get a good warm up in. That'll be around about 1 to 2 minutes, guys. Then I'll pick up my rope, and a lot of people ask me how long I take when I'm skipping, or what's my routine and timings. What I tend to do is I work in sets, guys. So you're going to see here coming up 25 reps of double unders. If you can't string together 25 in a row, I would stick to single bounce, or I'll show you a different variation coming up. But what I tend to do is I work towards doing 10 sets of this cycle that's coming up. So the first exercise will be 25 double unders, which then comes to an end. And what we'll do is we'll put the rope down and I'll go straight into press ups. So in this workout, I'm focusing on sort of burning calories and a good upper body pump workout. No gym required, minimal equipment. So here you go. You can see that the hands are just below my shoulders. It's a neutral kind of grip. Tend to engage my core as much as possible. Stay right on the toes. And yeah, basically standard press up. Nothing really much to add to that. Incidentally, guys, a lot of you have been asking about the mat. I've been testing it for a month, so apologies for the delay in it, but it is out for the Phantom launch, which is in a couple of weeks time. This mat is going to be absolutely epic, guys. It's going to look after your rope, but most importantly, it's going to look after your joints. So make sure you cop this. But yeah, so the next sort of exercise I've got here is then reps of lateral raises. So I'm working here the shoulders. So this workout, like I said, is an upper body, chest, shoulders, and then we're going to also do some biceps. So 10 to 15 reps generally of these. And this is all one cycle still. There you have it. Yeah, I mean, simple, guys. You just want to keep your elbows nice and quiet, tucked in. You want to engage those biceps, breathe in and exhale as well as you're basically lifting. Then we're going to go into some dynamic squat jumps. I really enjoy this move. I would tend to use this actually with resistant bands, but on this occasion I'm doing it with just free body weight. And what you want to focus in on is keeping your back straight, core engaged. I like to land on my toes and take off with my toes as well, because I like to get the burn on my calves. So here's a variation that I mentioned before, guys. If you can't string together 25 double unders, stick to maybe one-legged sort of jumps here, high knee raises. Do that for 25 reps if you wish. And also, if you find the press ups too easy, go to a diamond grip press up to really engage your triceps, inner chest. Really difficult, and it's a nice little variation that I tend to use as well. So that cycle, guys, I would do 10 times. It would generally take me from between 20 to 25 minutes. There you have it, guys. My quick, short fire workout. I always need to film this outro. After 5 minutes, I think I'll finish. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you guys get on. Let me know again if you like the detail of the commentary behind it. If you find it useful, please give this a thumbs up, guys. That'd be really helpful for me. Be sure to stay around for the next video. I hope you enjoyed this little mini vlog series. I'm really enjoying making them. Love you all, guys. Don't forget, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace. Let's get in here. The bazooka is ready. A lot of you have been asking. Thanks so much. I know you guys are going to support strong. Love you all. Take it easy. Peace.